Motor Rally here, and today, in a small POV, I know, I haven't uploaded in forever, but that's because I've been working behind the scenes quite a lot, to be fair. Well, this isn't the greatest, is it? Anyway, so I've been quite a long time. Last video I did was, I don't even remember what last video I did. It was the better bulbs. That was it. Just got the better bulbs installed. I mean, I don't know if they pick up on the camera, but they're quite bright still, which is really good. I'm actually quite happy with them. However, I've got some exciting news which is going to happen soon. I'll be a video on that. It's actually really big. It's actually really big, and I'm really excited. Hopefully that comes soon, in about, I want to say June 7th, about that day, maybe around that time there. That should be a big surprise coming to the channel, which would be absolutely amazing. Also, I did do a video where me and Callum went down to Silver Lake, but unfortunately we got told we can't film, and out of all the edits that I've done, I mean, I'll put up some footage here. It's literally just me filming us eating KFC, because that is the only thing that we managed to do, which is annoying. But next time if we do go to one of these places, hopefully I can do a sneak vlog with the phone, let alone the camera. Right, if I take a quick trip down here. Slamming gears is absolutely amazing. Right, let's do 30 now, which we are doing right now. Actually, I'm not in my usual attire. I'm in a suit. I've got something. I'm very important today. Not really. I'm going somewhere which ties in with the surprise, which is good. But again, do I know where I'm going? Not really, no. So let's just enjoy the drive, and hopefully we get some action out today. I do know that you guys do like more spirited POV drives instead of a boring, you know, give it some beans and stuff like that. My POVs actually do quite well, and in fact as well, if you're listening to the comments, what am I on about? If you're watching this now and hearing me speak this, thank you for watching. But how do you like the POV view? Like, I do know that some POVs were up here, we're down here, but this one, I think well, I say that now, I don't know if I put the right settings on the camera, but I think I've perfected to like a nice degree, if that makes sense, which is, I guess, a good thing. We've got police there. Hello, Mr. Bobby. But yeah, apart from that, how do you like POV view? Well, something else which I'm actually really excited for as well. This surprise, now, it's only because I hit 500 subscribers, which, I mean, I can't believe, even though I've been gone for like 5 months and haven't been consistent at all, and my videos previously, they're all dodgy, they're all not planned, but nor is this, to be fair. But I will hopefully make a return, make a nice little planning session and plan out some videos and do crap, but that's besides the point. But again, 500 of you Duster Utes are watching me. That's actually quite mad. Hopefully we can scale it upwards. I mean, everyone would say that, because hopefully they do. But again, 500 people. I'm actually gobsmacked that within a year, I think it is, I've actually got 500 people. That's really, really cool, and I'm really, really appreciative of you guys as well. But if you're new here and you're watching this POV, please hit that subscribe button. Just, you know, go down there, absolutely smash the hell out of it, and then boom. Anyway, right, so we're quickly on the drive. Again, it's only about a 2-minute video. I should shut up, but yeah. Bomber Ross, it's only like 1 PM today as well. That's nice. Say that. Nice fitment. Right, can this bomber Clark Vauxhall go any faster? Oh, sorry, Missy. the one issue is that see, I made that gap big enough for him so he can actually get past. See, that's all me. I'm joking, I'm joking. Bomb clock. Right, hopefully, fingers crossed, we can get past this blood clot round. Oh, that's a bit depressing, that. That'll get me demonetised even though I'm not even monetised. Dead squirrel. Rest in peace, my fellow squirrel. What is going on? Anyway. Can we hurry up, please? Nah. Yes. My DMO flicks in, but I can't because I'm in a suit. I don't know, can I do it? Second, third? Ooh! Oh, I don't know. That was absolutely dead. That was crap. Oh, bloody hell. Look at this Mazda guy going. That was... Jesus! Gapping everyone. Jeez. Doing a little unmarked road down here, which is a nice little flyby, I'll say that. You can get up to great speeds of 30 miles an hour. So, with a little editing magic, we're going to act like we're doing 50,000 miles per hour in a 1,000 horsepower Civic. Yeah, in reality we're doing 30 in a 98 horsepower Civic. And there is a truck. There is a van. Never gets old. Them shifting gears never gets old. Right, anyway guys, I must go off now. Back to work, and hopefully that surprise will come in soon. I do need to do some more videos. My next video is probably going to be everything wrong with this car, because there's a lot of things wrong, such as my head gasket, which needs replacing. Thanks to this guy here, I can go past. There we go. And we should be good to go. Right guys, see you in the next one. What? Pow.